Hello everyone, this is Grace Academy. So in this episode we will see how to create an EC2 instance within 2 minutes. So we don't discuss what EC2 and other concepts that are related to EC2, but we will just create an EC2 instance. So to create an EC2 instance, in the search bar we will search for EC2 service. Here we will click and navigate to the EC2 dashboard. As you can see, there is a launch instance option, so we will click that launch instance option. So we will give it a name, so the name will be demo instance. So I want to create Ubuntu or Ubuntu instance, so I will choose Ubuntu Amazon machine image. Then for the instance type, I will stick with the T2 micro since it's a free tier eligible instance type. For the key pair part, since we will not or we don't access this instance using SSH, so we will proceed without a key pair. So for the networking setting, as you can see, there is a VPC called demo in my AWS account, so we will choose that, and we will deploy or put our EC2 instance, this EC2 instance, which is what was the name, demo EC2 instance, in this public subnet, demo subnet. We will not we don't need a public IP, so we will leave it as it is, so it's not enabled. For the security group, since we don't access this instance using SSH, we don't need that, but let's allow just HTTP request, so this instance will access any HTTP request from the internet. Then for the storage part, we will leave it as it is, 8. So I think this is enough. So one number of instance 1. So let's launch the instance. As you can see, it's launching the instance. So if you initializing requests, creating security groups, and so on, let's see our instance. So as you can see, we have created demo EC2 instance successfully. So after a couple of minutes, it will be available or it will be ready. So basically you can create a simple EC2 instance following the previous procedures. Thank you.